Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Okta admin, manage identity and access step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Okta admin. Press enter to navigate to the login page. You will see a field labeled username. Enter your administrator username in this field. Next, locate the password field. Input your password associated with your account. Ensure that you have entered both fields correctly. Now, look for the Login button. Click on the Login button to proceed. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to the Okta admin. Once on the dashboard, familiarize yourself with the various sections available. To manage users, click on the Users tab. From here, you can add, edit, or deactivate user accounts. If you need to manage applications, navigate to the Applications section. Here, you can configure settings for all integrated applications. For access policies, click on the Security menu. This area allows you to set up and modify access rules for users. Remember to regularly check for any pending notifications or alerts. When you are finished with your tasks, log out for security purposes. To log out, locate your account icon in the upper right corner. Click on the account icon to reveal the drop-down menu. Select Logout from the menu options. Confirm your logout if prompted. You have now successfully logged out of Okta admin. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.